Today we are diving into a world where ordinary bottles and mason jars turning into something extraordinary with a touch of recycling. We can create art. This is not only beautiful but also deeply healing for the mind, and yes, even a strong foundation for business. Take a moment to imagine a simple glass bottle or an empty mason jar. Most people throw it away, thinking it has no value. But for the creative mind, this is a blank canvas. By recycling, we are not only saving the environment but also giving shape of imagination. Colors are powerful. Blue calms us, green connects us to nature, yellow lifts our energy, and red inspire action. When you paint recycled jars with these shades, you are not just decorating glass, you are decorating the mind. Imagine a mason jar painted in soft pastel hues with a light spinning inside. Watching the reflection dance on the wall feels like meditation. It reduces stress, slows down racing thoughts, and brings the mind back to present moment. Recycling isn't just about saving money or saving earth, it's also about saving peace of mind. Every brush stroke, every drop of paint, every detail added to recycle jar is mindful act. It reminds us to slow down, to focus, and to enjoy the process. Crafting with bottles and jars is like therapy. It's hand-on creative and grounding. As you recycle and paint, your stress melt away. Instead of mindless scrolling or worrying, your entire state of flow, completely present, fully engaged. This is mindfulness in action, and mindfulness is the key to a healthier, calmer, more focused. Now let's talk about turning this art into a business. Because beauty should be shared and creativity deserves recognition. Here are the timeless tips to grow. Start small but stay consistent. Even if you make just one recycle jar a day, consistency builds mystery and consistency builds mastery, and mastery builds trust with your customer. People don't just buy bottles and jars, they buy meaning share, how each piece is recycled, how geotrope lighting creates mindful reflections, and how colors heal the mind. Storytelling sells. Use short videos or messenger apps like whatever you have to share behind the scene clips to you painting, wrapping, or designing jars. People love to see the journey, not just the final products. Some people want eco-friendly home decor. Some want wedding gifts, others want mindful lamps for meditation spaces. Target each group with specific designs. Collaborate. Work with yoga studios, wellness coaches, interior decorate. Your recycled bottle and mason jars can become part of their world. Partnership multiply growth.